Hey, I'm back. I wanted to show you guys something that's kind of a fun thing. Looky here, I got a tape measure, alright? Going all the way down here to the ground. And it goes all the way up, 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 there. Alright, look at that. It's almost to the top of this sunflower. Now let's come down here and take a look at it. What do we got? What do we got? Okay. Focus, dude. There's 12 foot right there. We come down here. 12 foot 11. And there it goes. It's falling over. I don't care. I got the measurement. It says 12 foot 11 there. There's 2 more inches you can add for the tape measure. It's not quite to the top either. But dude, that is a 13 foot tall sunflower that just popped up in my backyard. It didn't just pop up, but that's a pretty tall sunflower. Let's go over here. I'll show you guys my wicking beds too. Let's go through here. Alright, let's go through here. So we got the wicking beds, right? The beans in the wicking bed have pretty much given it up. They're still hanging on, but they're done. Not getting much for beans. Cucumbers are doing good still. Cucumbers, you can see them. We're still getting some, and look, here's one hanging right here. We're still getting cucumbers. There's a couple, there's one down in here. The watermelon isn't slowing down one bit. The watermelon has gone up into here. It's into this trellis. It's over here already. It's going back that way. Got some grapes in here I've got to get in and pick too. So the watermelons, the beans are done. Watermelons doing okay. Actually, the cucumbers are doing okay. The watermelon's doing just fine. And then the other day I found this thing sticking out the side over here. Look at there. Yep. There's a watermelon. He was hanging, so I put that milk crate under him, holding him up. We'll see how far he goes. But watermelon seems to be happy in this one. Cucumbers too. The beans are done. I've come back and I've planted some more beans. These are yard-long beans. These are a little bit different type of pole bean. These were bush beans that were in here. This is a pole bean. This thing's going to grow up into the trellis and hopefully produce some good things. Let's go around and look at... Oh, here's one here. Check this out. There's a, well, Armenian cucumber. Need to pick him. There's cucumber. This one's doing pretty good. This one is mainly cucumbers and some watermelons. There's some watermelon in this one too. He's kind of, you can see he's going up into the grapevine there too. He's made it up there. Very good. Oh, look. There's some cucumbers I got to pick. There's like 3 of them in here. This thing's looking pretty good there. So far, so good on these things. Looks a little weak over here. There's some more cucumbers. This is really heavy shade on there. There's some more cucumbers back there. Man, I got to pick cucumbers. I guess we're going to be eating cucumbers some more. But yeah, that's just a quick update on my monster sunflower, my watermelons, my cucumbers, my wicking beds, and what I'm doing with this plant here, this bed here, to continue the harvest, man. Friggin', we got some empty spots in there, plant some other stuff, see what we can get growing. There's another cucumber growing right there. They're everywhere. I'm gonna have to start doing some videos on grape harvest. It's looking about time out here. So thanks for watching again.